Hey, good morning, guys. Hey, good morning, YouTube. How are we doing today? So, pretty exciting day so far. Down 300 points. Um, yeah, wow, right? We got um, so it looks like we had the European CPI come out, core CPI, about 2 o'clock, and that just started this free fall. Um, just wham right through it, and no bounce, and I think our next level is down here, which we have to go back quite a ways to see. We have to go back. What is that? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sessions, and it's a little bit crazy. So we're definitely not just grinding at the moment. Kind of thinking we come down into the box, churn in the box a little bit, and push back up. I guess we'll see how that goes. Definitely not going to force anything today. Wait for some decent trades. So yesterday, this is that shiny brand new PA account, and started off pretty rough. Traded it at the open, tried to get just a couple of bounces in, just little tiny bounces. That's all we wanted, little tiny bounces. And tried to catch here. So I tried to catch a bounce, never bounced. And I gave it 3 tries, and each time I cut it thinking that we lose this, we break structure, and it goes down, which ultimately it did. So we did 3. We just out of the gate, we were upside down, what, 300, 400 bucks. Got a couple of them back. Ultimately got some decent trades there after the open. We had a double top short, which I think that was the main recovery one right there. Nice little dip long, kind of some $5, $10 scalps for the rest of the day. And then I think we were I don't know, I think we were like $5 under, and we just got an extra 20 bucks just to make that account green. This guy, I think we only got 1 trade on him. That also was at the open, and those just worked. A couple of dip buys, it's fine. Same thing, dip buy worked, and dip buy worked. And then after that, just focused on getting that 1 PA green, and we managed to do that, and didn't really hurt ourselves, so not too ashamed of that. Wasn't real happy with it, but what are you gonna do? Don't really have a plan here. I'm gonna watch the MACD just put up on the screen just to see if it correlates to my trading style. We'll see. I don't know. Holy moly! Good morning, people. Maybe I'll start a little early from You're on, huh? Wow. Good morning. And as always, appreciate you guys using my code. That's awesome when that happens. So we got about 15 minutes to the open. And yeah, I'm probably gonna refresh the coffee, see what happens. I didn't see any other headlines, but maybe after I get coffee, we'll start that up. Go through some headlines. All right, I'll be right back, guys. Okay, good morning. Feel free to say hi. Wow. Okay. Well, whatever. Let's see. So Trump comes out with low taxes, high tariffs, Powell not fired, Treasury Secretary Diamond, and much more. Anti-Biden Dems rush to block DNC's virtual nomination. Interesting. Windows closing to earn. Buy your silver. Blah blah blah. Stanford insists Internet Observatory, which engaged in election time censorship push, will stay open. It's interesting. Did you guys see that Elon is taking his businesses out of California, moving to Texas? Thought that was kind of an interesting headline. JD Vance. David Sachs torches Biden for provoking Ukraine forever war. Yeah, the world's a crazy place. Okay, well, what do we got? We got 7 minutes. Given that we're opening at the bottom of the range, I'm gonna kind of think bullish. Maybe we go up here and then fade down. If we just wash out of the gate, probably won't be any trades for me there. We'll start out with some evals first. And we got huge range. We got 300 point range already. That's a pretty big range. We should be looking for pretty big candles. All right, 6 minutes. Haven't heard any news yet. No rush today, guys. Let it set up. And I'm really trying to get these 2 PAs a payout that first window next month. It's really disappointing. I had those 2 PAs that were so close for this window. I think they were both within $600. And then either PPI or CPI happened, and poof, they're gone. Such is life. That's definitely definitely how trading works, right? Is sometimes the market just gets you. Okay, so we got what, 3 minutes. Wow, hit the view train, I guess. Good morning, everybody. That's crazy. So kind of thinking something like this. And then at that point, either we go back here or, you know, things just get worse. And if we lose the box, I'm probably not going to trade any of it. And I think that's all from the CPI numbers, European CPI numbers. CPI numbers. Pretty big reaction there. Let's see, we had Barkin speaking half hour ago. Year over year. Waller at the open. Yeah, let's not be in a hurry today, guys. Just see what happens. I think a lot of people are going to wake up with a 2% down day and just be very, very reactive. Alright guys, gotta get some trades in here. Looking for dips now. that was easy. Alright, that's kind of a structure break there. Looking for new lows. Probably should be short here. Okay, got him in. Just gotta sit on. I'm just sitting on my hands here, guys. This is just not a setup. This is a kind of day that can hurt. So we're just gonna wait a minute. I do think we're pretty heavy still. Probably see a wash down to here. It's 200 level, at least, right? And when we lose that box, then there's nothing for quite a while. You know, it's just up on air. So just gonna hang tight, keep an eye on it, wait for something solid. You know, we already got 2 accounts traded, anyways. Alright, maybe we have a bottom end for now. So I think we gotta, you know, at least reclaim here to break the trend. You know, some close above that, and then maybe we can get back to that box. Decent recovery, but for now, you know, that's just a downtrend. Like that, right? We did get a nice test of, you know, middle of the box there. That's a good thing. So if you guys smash that like button, that would be pretty cool. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe, right? Just playing it safe here. Playing it safe, guys. I'm still pretty bearish. And right here, it's a chase. I just don't. At the moment, I have no read. You know, if you guys are trading it, you know, let me know. Sure. I just don't trust that bottom's gonna hold. I think she just goes lower. Just goes lower. Let's just zoom out here for a minute. See what we're doing. Yeah, that's we broke structure there. We're kind of into this pre-market churn. You know, that is the last support right here. You know, maybe a level right here. Yeah, I vote just give it a minute. Give it a minute. Or just, you know, 50-50 it and short. It is okay. It is okay to just wait for a setup. You know, I guess I'm glad that I got the evals traded, but and also did not smoke the PAs. Alright, there she goes. Down she goes, baby. Down she goes. So looks like we got a test of the bottom of the box here. At least almost. So definitely is trending, obviously trending lower. That's really, really hard for me to trade. You know, I prefer this chop. That's easy for me to trade. Trending days, it's just so hard for me because it seems like, you know, the moment I enter, it goes against. And I'm always chasing it. So just gonna kind of hang tight, see what happens, and probably, you know, at the moment thinking, you know, we get out of the box and we start jumping on dips and push it back up. But probably not going to trade the box. Just pretty hard read. Lots of downside risk, you know, maybe if we're hitting pops. Lower, lower, lower. There's our box test. See what she does. Hope you guys are all okay out there. Obviously, feel free to say hi and chat or whatnot. We might be shifting gears here. Nice little pokey right there. Kind of am thinking we are reversing here. So maybe a little more aggressive on our trend here. So that level maybe? Probably here is. Nice little lucky break there. And then do we lose 20 today? I guess that's possible. That would be a little bloody. Not very many people would be happy about that. Okay, so I guess we hit the view train today, huh? Interesting. Alright, Tesla's rolling over here. We got AMD chewing on the lows. So let's see. SPY's actually kind of chewing on a high day there. SPY had a nice recovery. And NQ's just not a lot of love there at the moment. Yeah, another bottom of the box test here. She just go down forever? I don't know, that's a pretty direct divergence from the SPY. The SPY's almost a high of the U.S. session, anyways. It's off quite a bit from yesterday, but it's only down like 0.8%, and NQ's down, 1.8%. So that's an interesting divergence. Don't understand what is happening. What is happening? Okay, so I think we're gonna just wait for some confirmation. I guess we could YOLO some of this eval account, but I guess the question is, were we scared enough there? I'm just gonna stick to the evals here for a minute, guys, gals, they, them, other, etc. See if we can just get another little wash here. So just trying to do a little bounce here. Alright, there we go, another $100. We might push, once we get out of the box, it should be pretty direct to this level here, this 265 or so. It's going to close out of the box, and then of course it'll feel like a chase, but it's a pretty big. One of the problems I'm kind of having is it's not relatively fast, I guess. It's big range, but the moves are still pretty controlled, pretty manipulated. Alright, so how are you guys doing? Anybody out there trading? I'm guessing we just got smashed by some robots or something. I'm not sure what that is. But Nobody's saying hi or anything, so well. Hi. Let's see. Well, we finally got a little higher low in there. Higher low. I guess we just chew in the box for a little bit. Lower high. Test the bottom of the box. That'd be the third test. Probably breaks it. I think we might scalp to the downside here. Should have pushed the button. Alright, SPY's turning around also. And miss. And big miss. Excellent job. Excellent job, sir. Well, we haven't lost yet, but missed a bunch of opportunities there. Down she goes. Where she stops, nobody knows. All right, just waiting. You know, that's a pretty big move. Is this the washout? You know, that's quite a bit of volume coming in. Might be getting to a bottom here. Hopefully fairly soon. Big range. We're down 400 points on what appears to be European CPI news. We probably need to Tesla made it back to high of day. But AMD is just tanking. AMD's down 7%. Yeah, it's chewing on 165, 164.90 right now. That's a big move. 7% in AMD. Is that the real drawdown? And what's going on with NVIDIA? Alright, so the headline there is NVIDIA, AMD are trading lower as the U.S. intensified semiconductor sanctions against China. Biden is contemplating using the Foreign Direct Product Rule, which allows it to impose controls on foreign-made products that incorporate even minimal amounts of American technology. Additionally, the U.S. is considering further sanctions on specific Chinese chip companies. The U.S. semiconductor companies have significant exposure to China. Prior reports indicated NVIDIA would sell 12 billion of AI chips in China this year, despite export controls. Meanwhile, former President Donald Trump has triggered jitters in the semiconductor sector with the latest remark. Key NVIDIA supplier Taiwan Semiconductor, TSM, is trading lower on Wednesday after Trump said that the contract chip maker should compensate U.S. for its defense. The chip maker should compensate the U.S. for its defense. That's interesting. Okay. So I think this is just a intermediate pause. I think we do I think we get that 2050 level at least, if not we break the 20s. Good news is normally on days like this I blow up, get smoked, but so far we're just being patient, right? The goal is to get the payouts, not get some, amazing ego confirmation of my crazy trading skills. Payouts. I need to get paid. Money is why we do this, right? Really getting tempted just to do a quick little scalp, but I'm just gonna sit on my hands. Don't do it. Don't do it. Just bloody. Bloody. Could do it with that eval. It's brand new. Not even invested there. Just full sin. 10 contracts. think I have a mosquito underneath my desk. I keep feeling them. Yeah, I am not going to pick a fight here, but I think we'd probably get a bounce like right here. Probably would have been enough. Yeah, I'm guessing this is all news driven. I was thinking it was the CPI numbers, but I'm thinking it's the chip manufacturing sanctions that are being talked about. Yeah, here's a little tiny bounce. All right, let's just every day this gets jacked up, right? Jacked up. That's a spies on low a day also. Yeah, this is just gonna get bloodier and bloodier. Good news is we have all day, kind of. But bad news is we need something to trade. I think we get a little push here. There we go. Obviously, I don't know, right? I think, you know, I think we kind of screw around and do something like that. Is it possible we do this? Of course, right? Nobody knows. Well, some people know. I don't know. Do we have any levels here? Not for a long time, right? Pre-market stuff, I don't really count that. I guess we do have some levels here a few sessions ago. A lot more support, just a little bit lower. Probably just an intermittent pause. So I just don't put a lot of weight in the, you know, after session or pre-session, but we do have some equilibrium right here. I think we're just gonna stay alive here. Alright, let's see how many trading days do we have till the 1st? So today is Wednesday, and both of those PAs are on, one of them's on day 4, the other one's on day 3. And the first would be, looks like trading day 15 on one and trading day 14 on another. So we do have about 4 spare days on each account. So I guess we'll just kind of wait. Alright, I'm gonna go to little boy's room, be right back. So we're starting to head back. So definitely have my finger on the button here, looking for a reason to get long. Something a little scary would work. Still on the evals. Just a quick little scalpy. So I just realized that
encouraged that inflation is broadening, disinflation is broadening in hopes it continues. Barkin said still looking for a bit more evidence that disinflation will be sustained. The number one way for the Fed to keep its credibility is to do the right thing at the right time. That's from the Richmond Fed president.
so still just waiting. mostly. Got another scalp in there, another $100. Pretty healthy on that eval. Not risking the PAs. You know, just range is outrageous. What we got? 500 point range. These are 20 ticks, $100 there. Man, that's 22 ticks. So certainly great opportunities.
The ATS, that chat hopping to the highs now, $2, up
Waiting-
7.5%.
waiting for something to happen.
Sandy.
Hi, buddy. So the bloodshed in AMD seems to be slowing down. Alright guys, I think that's gonna be it for the stream today. Pretty solid. You know, we didn't hurt ourselves. Got some okay trades in. All on the evals. Got a handful there. Just the one right there at the open. I got some business to take care of. So thanks for hanging out, and you know, feel free to use my code BLAZDDUR. It's fantastic. Always get you the best
draw up 900,000 expected.
best discounts available
Draw up 1.7
at
million
Apex.
expected.
Yeah, but we gotta go. Gotta go pay those bills. So have a great day, everybody. See you later. Bye.